Welcome to our March real estate market update for Lee County and Cape Coral. Today we're excited to delve into the latest data and trends shaping our local housing market, providing you with valuable insights into the dynamic real estate landscape in our community. Throughout the year, the data will reflect fluctuations with discernible patterns of heightened activity during the spring and summer months. Notably, Lee County stands out for its shorter selling periods and higher average prices when compared to just Cape Coral, though both regions share a similar trend in activity. Let's jump right in. The number of closed sales in Lee County shows a gradual decline reflected by 1,047 closed sales in February 2023 to 962 in February 2024. Similarly, Cape Coral experienced a small increase in closed sales, with figures rising from 375 in February 2023 to 380 in February 2024. Moreover, the average days to sell a property in both Lee County and Cape Coral demonstrated an upward trend over the observed period. Lee County's average days to sell increased from 43 in February 2023 to 66 in February 2024, while Cape Coral saw a rise from 51 to 69 during the same time frame. These trends hint at a potential transition towards a more balanced market, granting buyers additional time to explore their options. In terms of average sales price, Lee County displayed some slight increases throughout the reviewed period, starting at $578,100 in February 2023, peaking at $585,700 in February 2024. Conversely, Cape Coral's average sales price exhibited a similar increase, starting at $502,500 in February 2023 to $521,200 in February 2024. I'd like to introduce you to our latest listing in sought-after Burt's Bayshore neighborhood. The cozy home offers the perfect blend of comfort and convenience, boasting an attached, spacious two-car garage and a covered carport. Step inside to discover an inviting interior featuring an enormous lanai complete with access to a pool bath and a fenced yard. There's ample space for outdoor activities and storage for all your toys. Plus, rest assured with assessments paid and city water, along with recent upgrades including a new water heater in 2022 and a new roof installed in 2018. And the best part, this house is not in a flood zone, providing peace of mind for years to come. Don't miss out on this fantastic opportunity to make this your dream home. We also have 8 new construction luxury homes coming up on the market in Northwest Cape Coral. In conclusion, the real estate market in Lee County and Cape Coral presents a dynamic landscape with notable trends and fluctuations. Despite a gradual decline in closed sales over recent months, particularly in Lee County, there's a silver lining as average sale prices have seen an upward trajectory. Additionally, while the average days to sell have increased slightly, this suggests a potential transition towards a more balanced market. Moreover, the consistent increase in new listings indicates a growing confidence in the market, further fueled by factors such as economic stability and favorable conditions for listing properties. These trends underscore the resilience of our local housing market and present promising opportunities for those looking to buy or sell in Lee County and Cape Coral. As always, thank you for joining us for this market update, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one.